what do we have here? So I just got the Studio 6 for Christmas, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I got it in blue, and if you watch my other videos, you know I do have a 5 in the back. So yeah, we're gonna be testing out the sound quality of this thing and comparing it to the 5 later on. So I'm just gonna use this cord. I'm not gonna do Bluetooth this time. Bluetooth takes too long, so I'm just gonna hold up. Use this aux cord right here. And yeah, let's get started. All right, we got it on. All right, let's test out some music right quick. All right, first song.
The year is 1971. Now comes the first of the children of Rotan. Gods of the underground. Witness the birth of the funky child. Do it on him. She now likes the Lord, but she used to take the spinners. With the style from the birth connect. And I don't have to wait to let the drum go wild. So dig it. Watch me kick it. I'm taking no shorts unless it's coming from a midget. I catch the beat more than chicken pack grease. I'm really knocking boots, but I'm not out my teeth. Now I got oh Christ, that baby. Stacked on the eyes, now they're doing all crazy. No rattles, I'll play bass, the crowds when I'm rapping. And yes, I do reruns, as if this was happening. Now January 14th, I first the first one. Every day, but you play.
Climb up a little bit.
I got your mom into the funky style. Hey, just let them know here comes the funky child. Yeah.
Not bad, actually.
Out of Newark. Now witness the birth of Mr. Funky.
Let's try another track, actually. Let's try this one.
Well, I'm the dipper, dabber, short like Shabba. Breaks make you make, operating like Clapper. John and me, yeah, that's what folks tell me. I plan on going forward, be a star like Marcus Garvey, so there. Yes, I mix the ruckus, cause the ruckus like Menudo or Judo. I gets it, I do them when I gamble. And when I swings my king, I take a swing like Mickey Mantle. But I got more flavors in the pack, and now I'm latest. Beg your pardon, Mr. Bieber, but I love vanilla wafers. See, I got it going on because of the songs that I write. I got it going on because my crew is enough hype. But I sit up, I stand up, I grand up like Zorro. I shop at that casino for a back of Stella Toro. Breadsticks, or yes, it's the books was 3 of my cousins, crazy, lazy, ain't Blitz and me. Cause we're just something that's on the mind. Cause we're just something that's on the mind. Cause we're just something that's on the mind. Just something that's on the mind. Diggity yes, knocker. I just come like Shaka. Zulu, I pop like over red and rocker when I'm proper. I give it a dibble dabble with my limits. I drop a def jam as if my name was Russell Simmons. I'm funky, funky. I clap red like.
Let's try another song. Let's try a song that's more high quality, actually. Let's try one more song actually. Alright, so for this one, I would say the 6, to me, they did a better job with bass this year. And frankly, the bass is a little bit stronger than the 5, but it's so slight, you would have to like listen really close to actually hear the difference. So it's nothing to really brag about. The bass isn't that much stronger, but like if you really listen closely, you can tell the bass is a little bit stronger. So it's a little bit more thumping, I would say, compared to the 5. And it's a little bit more boosted when it comes to like the low notes, like around 40 hertz, I would say. So yeah. But one thing I would say that they did pretty good was the water resistance. So keep in mind, this is I think IP7 or something. Hold on. I think it's IP67, I think, water resistance. But one thing I do know, you can submerge it underwater for a little bit and it should be fine. But make sure you have this on. This has to cover the whole entire thing. If this is exposed, if any of the ports are exposed, yeah, that's going to be quite tough. So yeah. But for sound quality, I would say the 5 does a little bit better job in sound quality. And this sounds a little bit more like a JBL speaker, just with a little bit more bass, but slightly better sound quality. So yeah, this wraps up this video. And yeah, that's about it.